Can dehydration cause sleep apnea? If you've ever wondered whether not drinking enough water could affect your sleep in more serious ways, such as leading to sleep apnea, you're not alone. Let's break down the connection between dehydration and sleep apnea to give you a clear answer. First, it's important to understand that dehydration can significantly impact your sleep quality. When you're dehydrated, your body produces more cortisol, a stress hormone that can disrupt your sleep patterns. Dehydration can also cause physical symptoms like dry mouth, headaches, and muscle cramps, making it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep. Now let's talk about sleep apnea. Sleep apnea is a condition where you stop breathing for short periods during sleep. While dehydration itself does not directly cause sleep apnea, it can make the symptoms of sleep apnea worse. For instance, dehydration can lead to headaches, fatigue, and dry mouth, which are similar to the symptoms experienced by people with untreated obstructive sleep apnea, OSA. One key factor to consider is the hormone vasopressin. During sleep, especially in the later stages, your body releases vasopressin to help retain water. If your sleep is disrupted, this hormone may not be released properly, leading to increased water loss and dehydration. However, this does not mean dehydration causes sleep apnea. Rather, it suggests that poor sleep quality and dehydration can be interconnected issues. There is also a connection between sleep disruptions and the regulation of fluids in the body. Poor sleep can affect kidney function and the body's ability to manage water balance, which might exacerbate symptoms of sleep apnea, but does not cause the condition itself. In summary, dehydration does not cause sleep apnea, but it can make the symptoms of sleep apnea worse and disrupt your overall sleep quality. Maintaining proper hydration and a regular sleep schedule are crucial for overall health and can help alleviate some of the discomfort associated with sleep apnea and other sleep-related issues. So while dehydration is not the root cause of sleep apnea, staying hydrated is an important part of managing sleep health.